नमस्ते, हर हर महादेव। स्वागत है आप सभी का ओम महामाया में। दिस इज आकांक्षा, योर टैरो रीडर फ्रेंड here on YouTube, and my readings are to help you navigate through tough decisions of your life and make your life much easier for you. So आज की रीडिंग का टॉपिक है, आपने टाइटल में पढ़ लिया होगा, योर crushes energies towards you, the potential of this connection. It is going to be entirely about the crush that you have in your life right now. We will be looking at a lot of things on this matter. We will be checking your feelings towards them, their feelings towards you, what can be the potential of this connection, any obstacles if there are, external influences, as well as the outcome of this connection. Uske saath ही we will be also checking some messages if there are any from any sort of oracle deck. I will be picking that pretty intuitively in the end. So make sure you pick your group. This will be a pick a card reading. I have picked out 3 groups for you so that it is completely and extremely personalized for you. तो आपके क्रश की क्या एनर्जीज रहने वाली हैं और इस कनेक्शन में आगे क्या हो सकता है, व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल ऑफ दिस कनेक्शन. लेट्स जस्ट डाइव राइट इनटू दिस रीडिंग. So hello group number 1, welcome to your reading. So let's check and dive into your reading कि आपके क्रश की क्या एनर्जीज आपको लेकर के, what is the potential of this connection. बहुत डिटेल में हम इस रीडिंग को चेक करने वाले हैं, but it is going to be extremely quick because I have already picked out cards for you. It will not be in real time. I have already prepared your piles. So let's just dive into the reading. Before we get started, just a little bit of disclaimer. This is a general prediction. It may or may not resonate with you. You can check this pile. If the energy resonates with you, you can go ahead with the reading. If this does not resonate with you, feel free to pick up any other pile you feel attracted to intuitively. So without any further ado, let's just dive into your reading. क्या energy आ रही है? Acceptance is the key to inner peace. At times, you must accept things as they are. There is no point trying to change that which is beyond our control. Okay, this is the theme of your whole reading. Okay. Now let's check out the cards. First, we will be looking at your energy, and on this side we will be having your energy. On this side, there will be your crush's energy, and in between we will see the potential of it. Now, okay, first card we have from you is Death, 2 of Pentacles, okay, King of Pentacles, perfect, okay. Now let's check your crush's energy towards you. 4 of Swords, 10 of Cups, King of Swords. Okay, so first let's talk about your energy. Lately I see कि बहुत टाइम हो गया आप लोगों को, आपके लाइफ में कोई भी लव इंटरेस्ट नहीं आया है. You feel it has been literally forever. You have seen really tough times in love, and now you feel like there is no hope for love for you. But you are still madly crushing over this person. You are really attracted towards this person, and you're not even somewhere. The acceptance card came out because you're not ready to accept this as well, that you feel a lot for this person. You feel it's only crush, and मेरे love में इतने hardships रह चुके हैं. I don't think I'll find someone, because आपकी बहुत dual energy आ रही है. Sometimes you feel कि नहीं यार कोई होना चाहिए life में, and this guy is really good or this girl is really good, and maybe I should initiate something, maybe I should try something out, or try to get to know this person better, try to build a friendship with them or something. And the other times you're like, I've had really hard luck in love, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है कुछ भी efforts करने का, because एंड में मेरे साथ कुछ ना कुछ बुरा हो ही जाता है. because you have lost all hopes because of your past. You are like कि love life, love is not meant for me. You're losing a lot of hopes. So उसके लिए जैसे हमने first message देखा था, I'm gonna read it out again. Acceptance is the key to inner peace. Start accepting your feelings. Start accepting your past, that what happened to you was not in your control in the past, and what is happening to you even right now, you know, your attraction towards this person, this is also not in your control. There is divine intervention with this for sure, right? At times we must accept things as they are. If there is feeling, you need to recognize it, you need to address it, and you do need to work on it if you are feeling attracted to this person. You can't keep holding back forever. There is no point on trying to change which is beyond your control, right? Your past is beyond your control, and what is happening right now, somewhere it is under control. You can take action upon it, and you can welcome a lot of changes with that as well. So your energy towards this person, I see you are a bit of confused as well, that whether this person likes you or not. You feel like they're giving you bare minimum signals, which is why you're really confused, and you feel like this guy is really not expressive. This guy is really, I would say, cold hearted on the outside. This guy is like a coconut, basically. You feel like really cold hearted on the outside, but you feel there is a softer side to this guy or girl, whosoever, no gender specific, okay, whosoever is watching this. So your crush, you feel like your crush is really like a coconut, very soft hearted on the inside, and try to appear to be really tough on the outside. So if this energy resonates with you, move on to watching this reading. If it does not, you can pick another pile, okay? So आपको यही लग रहा है कि आपके partner जो sorry, your crush specifically, oh, could be a potential partner. Angels did send you a message right now. Okay, so you do not need to be hopeless. लाइक मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता है लाइफ के अंदर, मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता है लव लाइफ के अंदर. आपके लिए बहुत कुछ पॉसिबल है, दैट वी विल बी लुकिंग इनटू एज वेल, कि आपके पोटेंशियल क्या है कनेक्शन का. बट यू हैव टू जस्ट वे आउट योर फीलिंग्स राइट नाउ, विच इज़ व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. ये कन्फ्यूजन जो आपके अंदर है ना, आप कभी इस साइड इंक्लाइंड फील करते हो, कभी उस साइड इंक्लाइंड फील करते हो कि ये मेरे लिए फील करता है, ये मेरे लिए फील नहीं करता है. Now you are also giving them a very cold behavior. I see कि आप उनको पसंद तो करते हो, but you are really sensitive about your feelings. You're not ready to show anything to him, any sort of you know, even a hint. आप नहीं दिखा रहे हो उनको बिल्कुल भी. You are trying to put up a very cold picture in front of him, जिससे उनको कुछ भी एहसास ना हो कि आप क्या फील करते हो. Now coming to your crush, उनको एक्चुअल में कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं है कि आप क्या फील करते हो. दे आर कम्प्लीटली क्लूलेस, आई सी. नाउ देयर एनर्जी टूवर्ड्स यू, एक्चुअली they do get really positive vibes from you, like really joyful, more like, you know, sense of belonging. He does, this guy, this person, guy or girl, they do feel for you. Now if I see that, you know, they're not in the mood to make any sort of effort towards you, because they seem to be laying really low these days. He's really exhausted these days. He's also somewhere, you know, on the same page as you. आप दोनों की जर्नी कहीं ना कहीं काफ़ी हद तक सिमिलर रही है in terms of your love life. And see, this guy is really powerful himself. He has a very great ambitions, honestly, and he sees you like that as well. He somewhere sees that there are a lot of similarities between the two of you. And देखो, इनकी एनर्जी आपको लेकर सीरियस है. ऑनेस्टली मैं आपको बताऊँ तो काफ़ी सीरियस है. दे डू रिकग्नाइज देयर फीलिंग्स. दे नो हाउ, दे डोंट नो हाउ यू फील, बट दे नो हाउ दे फील अबाउट यू. एंड दे आर नॉट विलिंग टू मेक एनी एफर्ट, बिकॉज आप उनको इधर से कोल्ड बिहेवियर दिए जा रहे हो, और उनको बिल्कुल भी आइडिया नहीं है कि एक्चुअली में आप भी उनको पसंद करते हो जैसे वो आपको पसंद करते हैं. तो दे ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ डू नॉट हैव मच होप फ्रॉम यू. नाउ I also see that they have not had a serious connection yet, or up until like in a long time. They have not had a serious connection with anybody for a long time, but they do get really happy, prosperous vibes from you. They do. They sure do. एंड दे ऑल्सो फील कि आपका इन्फ्लुएंस उनके लाइफ के ऊपर बहुत अच्छा है. यू रियली इंस्पायर हिम समवेयर, यू हेल्प हिम गेन क्लैरिटी, यू हेल्प हिम अनलोड हिज मेंटल स्ट्रेस एक्चुअली. मतलब दिमाग पे बहुत ज़्यादा जब भी ओवरलोड हो जाता है, आप उनको कहीं ना कहीं हेल्प करते हो टू लुक एट थिंग्स विद अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. तो आपका इन्फ्लुएंस उनकी लाइफ पे काफ़ी अच्छा नज़र आ रहा है, एंड they also somewhere recognize that. Honestly, yes. Now let's look at the potential of this connection. Knight of Wands, action, drive, beautiful energy. Wow. Any sort of obstacles? See, same energy for a सोच की energy फिर से आ गई है again. Okay. Now external influences, the Chariot, and the outcome, Queen of Pentacles. Okay. And lastly, message from the Keepers of the Light, soul expansion. Your conscious is expanding. You understand the connection between all things. Beautiful. बहुत ही first of all बहुत ही beautiful energy आई है आप लोगों के आने वाले टाइम के लिए, honestly. Now, if I talk about the potential of this relationship, actually, there's a lot that can happen, literally. But you guys are not taking action towards it. आप भी कहीं ना कहीं अपने अंदर किसी दुनिया में गायब हो. दैट पर्सन इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक कि कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. देर इज़ लैक ऑफ एक्शन, देर इज़ टू मच लैक ऑफ एक्शन, देर इज़ लैक ऑफ ड्राइव. यू गाइज नीड टू एक्सप्रेस मोर. आपको भी अपने साइड से थोड़े हिंट्स उनको देना स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा, तभी ही विल रियलाइज़ कि यू नो समथिंग कैन हैपन. यू नो दिस पर्सन इज़ ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ ऑन द सेम पेज एज आई एम. आपको उनको वो आइडिया देना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दिस connection does have great potential, honestly. because आपके अंदर obstacles में भी यही आ रहा है. You guys both are waiting. You guys are both in kind of like a isolation zone. Okay, let's take rest. I do not have any energy. I do not have any time or you know or energy to make any sort of efforts towards this person. आप दोनों ही इस energy के साथ बैठे हुए हो, and with this energy you're not going to achieve anything. Honestly, this connection does have great potential, but for that to happen you have to take action towards it, honestly. Now if I talk about the external influences के environment का कुछ कहीं disrupt तो नहीं कर रहा है, या फिर actually I see that someone in both of yours friend circle, I don't know how they are your crush through any sort of work environment or through any sort of friends of friends or family or something, but someone knows that someone in the middle knows that you two have a crush on each other, or you two do share mutual feelings towards each other. And I see that this person is actually motivating your crush to drive out of their comfort level to express their feelings towards you. I do see कोई है environment के अंदर जो उनको इस चीज़ को लेकर मोटिवेट कर रहा है कि you know you should, just the same way I am motivating you right now, that you must show them a sign. This person from your environment is also motivating your crush to express their feelings towards you, or to give it a try, or to just you know have some hope that something can happen in the future. Seriously, yes. The outcome also seems really positive. You know, honestly, this can turn into a beautiful connection. Honestly, you guys have great potential. बहुत लॉन्ग टर्म रिलेशनशिप चल सकता है. देर विल बी कमिटमेंट, देर विल बी सेटिस्फैक्शन, देर विल बी पैम्परिंग. यू गाइज विल बी टेकिंग केयर ऑफ ईच अदर लाइक you have not been taken care of. Things that you have been craving for in a relationship but you have never gotten, you'll get that kind of stability, groundedness, and you're going to feel really happy, content with each other. this connection does have great potential. You must make some action towards it. See, in this card also महाअवतार बाबा जी का जो सोल एक्सपेंशन का कार्ड आया है, कहीं ना कहीं मुझे दिख रहा है कि ये आपके क्रश आपके लाइफ के जर्नी में, आपके स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी में भी बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. You are over here in this reading, it is only because your conscious is expanding. आपको पता है कहीं ना कहीं कि समथिंग इज़ गोइंग ऑन विद यू. डिवाइन आपको एक नया रास्ते पे लेकर जा रहे हैं. मे बी यू माइट बी सीइंग सम एंजल नंबर्स एज वेल, जिसकी वजह से यू एंडेड अप हेयर एंड यू आर वॉचिंग दिस रीडिंग. तो योर कॉन्शियस इज एक्सपैंडिंग एंड यू अंडरस्टैंड द कनेक्शन बिटवीन ऑल थिंग्स. कहीं ना कहीं आपको काफ़ी टाइम से ये एनर्जी, ये वाइब आ रही है दैट something is going on. You know, there can't be too many coincidences with this person. Like, you may be seeing their name everywhere or anything like that, or something related to them everywhere. So I'm sorry, I got a call. So I was saying ki, what was I saying? So you understand that there is some connection between you two and divine intervention is definitely happening. This person is actually a part of your spiritual journey and they're not here to teach you but to reward you. I must say, you must take some sort of action with them. They do like you. Their feelings towards you seem to be growing as well. I mean, dekho, let me be very clear. It's not like he is completely swooned over you or in love with you deeply, but you are also not in that zone. Okay, this is something, you have a crush, you feel something for someone and you want to look into it. तो आप इन पर्सन को एक ट्राई दे सकते हो डेफिनेटली अपनी लाइफ में. ये ट्राई आपका फेल नहीं होगा. Somewhere you both are meant to be, you are both supposed to be together. They do feel for you. You make them feel happy like no one has till date. So definitely there is some energy, there is definitely a lot of spark and you can give this person a try. Okay, so thank you so much for being here, group number 1. I hope this reading resonated with you. Do let me know in the comment section below. If you have any sort of doubts also, you can comment below and ask me, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, take care. Har Har Mahadev. Om Namo Shri Mahamaya. Welcoming all the beautiful souls of group number 2. So if you felt resonated or attracted towards this card, then this is your reading. Also, a little bit of disclaimer, this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. If you do not feel connected with the energy of this pile, feel free to pick another pile. You may feel resonated with that. Before we get started, I'm going to explain you a little bit. On this side we will be having your cards, on this side we will be having your crushes cards, and in between will be the potential of this relationship. Okay, so let's get started. Look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as the ocean. Wow. Wow, so deep and so beautiful, guys. I'm already swooning for you. I'm rooting for your connection in the beginning only. Okay, let's get started. So your energy, let's see, Queen of Cups. Okay, आप भी बहुत hopeless romantic kind of हो. Or do you love Bollywood movies or K-drama? 7 of Swords. Let me know in comments, okay? Because I am crazy for K-drama. Queen of Wands. Great. जितनी emotional हो आप, उतनी ही powerful भी हो. There's so much energy in you. Now let's check your crush's energies. The Empress, the Hierophant, 7 of Wands. Okay, group number 2. I feel कि आपकी reading मेरी favorite होने वाली है. Okay, let's get started. So आपकी reading का theme भी देखिए कितना romantic आया है. Honestly, look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as the ocean. Okay, are you a beach person, like a tropical lover? Let me know in the comments. So your energy towards this person is pretty much clear. You are swooning over them. You feel there's your emotions are literally growing every single day. You are even ready to take action towards it, but it is just that you do not trust this person right now. You're not sure how they are, or if they are actually how they appear to be. You're not sure about that either. Now, I do see you are really intuitive person. You're for sure really intuitive, and you look within people's soul, literally. You read them literally. Like, if their words and their face expressions, or if their words and their mindset does not match, you're able to tell that pretty easily. You read between lines, literally. And see, if this is your energy, then this is your reading. If this is not, feel free to pick another group. Okay, so moving on, you are actually, as I said earlier, you are feeling a lot for this person. Your emotions seem to be growing. Your connection towards this person, you're feeling more pulled towards this person with each passing day, but there are trust issues. You are not sure. These trust issues could be coming from past as well. There has been some events with you which have made you feel this way now, but I do see that you are ready to give this connection a try. You see that your crush is also giving you the same sort of energy, but you're not sure if it is genuine or not. Right? Yeah. Okay. Now moving on to your crush's side. First of all, they do see you as a goddess that you are, honestly. They are also pretty spiritual as well. And look, group number 2, I know you have trust issues, but you can actually trust this person. This guy really deserves, this guy or girl, this person really deserves your trust, honestly. They are literally trying really hard every day to cross these challenges and be courageous in front of you. वो बहुत एनर्जी के साथ आकर आपके सामने अपनी फीलिंग्स को प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. उनके लिए भी ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा टफ हो रही है, बट इट इज़ ऑन देयर फेस दैट दे फील फॉर यू. बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा, आई वुड से बहुत ज़्यादा जेन्युइन है, और इट्स राइट अप फ्रंट, इट्स राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. They see you for the beauty that you are. They really love your vibe. They love your nature. They see you as a completely graceful person that you are. And they do feel that there is a huge potential for this connection. They definitely feel that for you. Also, they're not looking for any sort of, टाइम पास वाली कोई भी चीज़ नहीं है. टाइम पास वाली कोई भी चीज़ नहीं है, ना ही कुछ ऐसा है कि लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन्स और लेट्स सी व्हाट गोज. दे आर प्रिटी सीरियस. दे आर एक्चुअली इवन more involved than you in this. They're pretty serious about it. They're pretty serious about the future as well. They're like, if you commit, if you share your part, if you share your energy, then I'll be ready to make it happen. I'll move mountains for you, literally. This person has that sort of energy towards you, but this person feels you're throwing off a lot of challenges towards them. You're making it really difficult for them to share their feelings. इस मतलब क्लियरली अगर देखूँ तो मैं, वो अगर आपको सामने से आके अपनी फीलिंग्स भी बताते हैं ना कि you mean this to me, you mean that to me, like my love for you is as deep as the ocean, you act completely clueless. आपको कोई पड़ी ही नहीं है. Then he gets like, yeah, this person ये मेरे लिए बहुत challenging बना रही है ये situation को, literally. That is what he feels. But this guy is involved for sure. They're completely swooning over you, and they see you for who you are. They see between those layers, for sure. Okay, group number 2, let's look at the potential of this connection. आपकी रीडिंग सच में ना बहुत टफ होती जा रही है because battery is about to die. Okay, let's look at the potential of your connection. Okay, Ace of Crystals, manifestation and prosperity, beautiful energy. What are the obstacles? The Hermit, contemplation, wisdom. Okay. External influences for crystals. Okay, I actually yeah, now I remember, I actually got two obstacles for you. Four of crystals and hermit, both are obstacles for you. Okay, next up, the external influence. Eight of wands. The outcome, so positive. I said I'm rooting for you guys. This crush actually can lead up to marriage even. And lastly, awakening presence. The universe is with you. Wear a cloak of protection and love. The universe is already protecting you from anything bad that could happen. So you can trust and put your faith in this reading and this person and move on towards a better future with this person. Okay, coming back to the reading. The potential of this connection, I do see Ace of Crystals. So manifestation, prosperity, everything positive can be achieved with this relationship. See, this person is actually going to help you a lot in your spiritual journey as well, for sure. And this connection does have great potential, for sure. If you're like willing to make efforts, if you're willing to give this connection energy, and even if you are manifesting some sort of proposal from grand gesture from this person, that will also definitely happen. This connection does have great potential. There will be commitment from day one. It's not like you are asking for it like 6 months, 1 year into the relationship or something like that. Commitment will be given from day one, for sure. बट पांडा एनर्जी से बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा. To achieve this, you have to come out of the panda energy in which you are being spoon fed. This guy is literally putting in a lot of effort. देखो, if you do not take any step from your side as well, maybe this guy will stop making efforts towards you as well. क्योंकि हर किसी इंसान की देखो एक लिमिट होती है, राइट? They will give you the energy until they are getting something, or they will do something for you for some time, but if they do not get the same energy in return, they will be taking a step back as well. Okay, now coming to the obstacles, आपका the hermit आया है and four of crystals आया है. देखो, एक तो आप अपनी एनर्जी को लेकर बहुत ही ज़्यादा इनसिक्योर हो, बहुत पहले ही आपको ट्रस्ट इश्यूज भी हैं, अपनी एनर्जी को लेकर इनसिक्योर भी हो, एंड hermit energy में हो, you are being really distant, you're really contemplating on all of your feelings and actions. You need someone who can give you security, but you are not feeling secure within yourself also. Then how will someone be able to give you security? Think about it. If you own up to who you are, if you own up to your feelings, then the other person will also give you the same energy, right? So it is really important from your end to understand that this connection does have great potential, but you are lacking behind in confessing your feelings, in projecting your part in front of the other person. You're trying to be really wise, but this, attitude is keeping you distant from this person, literally. Also, you're trying to be really controlling of the situation, literally. You cannot be controlling about this situation. देखो, वो बंदा या बंदी जो भी है, this person is making efforts from their side, but you have to be appreciative of that energy. You cannot be like कि you could have done this also, या फिर you could have said that also. थोड़ा सा आपको अपने attitude में ही change लेकर आना पड़ेगा. Otherwise, you're gonna hurt yourself because you're gonna lose a good person, literally, and you'll be on your own then, which is not what I want for you. I'm rooting for you guys, literally. You guys can do much better than this. Okay? देखो, ट्रस्ट इशू है, वो सिक्योरिटी भी आपको मिलेगी, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा कम्युनिकेशन इम्प्रूव करना पड़ेगा ना. अपनी साइड से भी थोड़ी फीलिंग्स, चाहे थोड़ा हिंट ही दे रहे हो आप, कैटफिशिंग कर रहे हो आप, बट यू हैव टू throw a little bit of crumbs to this person, feed a little bit of crumbs to this person, so that they know कि हाँ, इस साइड से भी कुछ है. Otherwise, it can go really off. एंड यू नो द जर्नी, आपको सब पता है आपको क्या स्टेप लेने हैं, आपको किस तरीके से इनको हैंडल करना है, एक्सप्रेस करना है अपनी चीज़ों को. यू नो एवरी थिंग, यू आर रियली स्मार्ट, यू आर, योर सबकॉन्शियस इज़ रियली, जैसे हमारे पास यहाँ पर भी मैसेज आए थे, सबकॉन्शियस भी आपका बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. यू नो हाउ टू अट्रैक्ट समथिंग. स्पिरिचुअली भी आप बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्लाइंड हो, और आप एक जर्नी से आए हो यहाँ पर, इस आइसोलेशन में हो, किसी रीज़न से हो, राइट. एंड यू हैव लर्नड अ लॉट फ्रॉम दैट, बट नाउ इट इज़ टाइम टू टेक एक्शंस ऑन योर लर्निंग. लर्निंग के बाद अगर हम टेस्ट नहीं देंगे, देन व्हाट इज़ द पॉइंट, राइट. Now, external influences look like this person talks to a lot of people, which is why you might be having trust issues as well. But देखो, बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, बहुत सारे तरीके के लोग होते हैं. इंट्रोवर्ट होते हैं, एक्सट्रोवर्ट होते हैं, एम्बिवर्ट होते हैं. दिस पर्सन इज एन एक्सट्रोवर्ट, दैट इज़ वाई दे टॉक टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, बिकॉज दे फील पॉजिटिव. मुझे दिखता है ये बहुत ज्ञान भी देते रहते हैं. फ्री में बहुत ज्ञान देते हैं ये, इस वजह से बहुत सारे लोगों को बात करते हैं. एंड दैट इज़ हाउ ही कीप्स हिज नॉलेज गोइंग, यू नो. इस तरीके से ही फील्स कनेक्टेड विद पीपल. सो दिस इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट यू शुड वरी अबाउट. He has a lot of friends, but he's not that kind of a person who judges other people. He tries to add positivity in their lives only. So you do not need to worry about external influences at all. Now lastly, the outcome, so positive, so beautiful, literally. 6 of Wands. देखो, अगर आपने इस person को try दिया, this person will be giving you all the attention that you have been craving for your whole life. They will make you the center of their universe. There will be a lot of growth, there will be a lot of travel involved. You will be feeling like you have not felt in any other relationship. There will be a lot of forward movement. This relationship, this bond can actually lead up to marriage. Lastly, we will be checking some messages from the Moonology Oracle as well. Group 1 के लिए हम ये messages नहीं निकाले थे. I don't know why. They might be not inclined with the energy of the full moon. Basically, आज full moon भी है. So this must be a message for you specifically. Group 2, what are the messages coming from the Moonology Oracle for you all? Emotions are running high. वो तो हमने पहले ही देखा था, right? It's the super moon. Emotions are already pretty high within you. It's important that you take out that energy, you express your feelings. Take it as a sign. Do it right now. Do it tonight. The end of a tough cycle approaches. See, moving on with this energy, आपकी लाइफ का एक बहुत डिफिकल्ट पार्ट कहीं ना कहीं यहीं पर एंड होगा. एंड देयर विल बी so much. See, it's time to take action. मतलब और क्या बोले यूनिवर्स, आपको बता दो मुझे, और क्या सुनना चाहते हो. It's time. You have to take action towards this person. This person was meant to find you because it is an act of universe in your favor only. So give them a try. And lastly, the universe is with you, okay? Wear a cloak of protection and love. They are protecting you, your spirit guides, your angels. They are completely over here. They are protecting you, they are guiding you, and they're guiding you towards your crush, because this can lead to something. Okay, group number 2, I hope you enjoyed this reading, and if it resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below which part resonated with you the most, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, take care. Har Har Mahadev. Om Namo Shri Mahamaya. Hello, group number 3, and welcome to your reading. So you picked out this card. The girl is in flames. You felt drawn to this energy, so let's just dive into your reading. So before we get started, a little bit of disclaimer. This is a general prediction. It may or may not resonate with you. This pile may or may not resonate with you. Feel free to pick up any other pile which you feel most attracted to, if this energy does not resonate with you. And on the left side, I will be drawing out cards for you. On the right side will be your crush's energy. In between, we'll have the potential of this connection. So without any further ado, let's just dive into your reading. Okay, what is the theme? Romance. Cupid's arrow strikes. Wow, beautiful energy. Superb. Let's check what more do we have. Okay, let's check your energy. Page of Cups. Okay, द डेविल, क्यूपिड जा रहे हैं तो डेविल तो देखो आना ही है. द एम्प्रेस, perfect. Now your crush's energy, the star, 8 of cups, the chariot. Okay, group number 3. बहुत स्टीमी कनेक्शन है आपका इस इंसान के साथ. आई सी यू आर रियली अट्रैक्टेड टू दिस पर्सन. इट्स इमोशनल, देयर इज सम फिजिकल इंटीमेसी इन्वॉल्व्ड एज वेल. You really do like them. You like how they make you feel about yourself. You feel there is a lot of potential in this connection as well. You also feel that this person is attracted towards you, attracted towards your looks basically, and the connection is also quite fresh. This crush has developed pretty recently only. There not has been much time. This person has entered your life pretty recently and आप sure नहीं हो इस person के बारे में बिल्कुल भी, but the energy is so high. You feel really attracted to them emotionally, physically. आप बहुत ज़्यादा ही रेडी होकर भी जा रहे हो टू गेट देयर अटेंशन एज वेल. यूर ट्राइंग टू गेट देयर अटेंशन एज वेल. यूर ट्राइंग टू बी योर बेस्ट सेल्फ इन अपीयरेंस फॉर देम. देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ डिवाइन फेमिनिन एनर्जी. यू एक्चुअली हैव एक्सपेक्टेशंस. इट्स टू सून टू टेल, बट आप अपने मन में बड़ी सारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेकर भी चल रहे हो. You feel कि soon they will be feeling the same energy towards you. They will be attracted towards you as well. कुछ तो कनेक्शन आपका बना भी है. आई डू सी कि कुछ मीटिंग्स आप दोनों की हुई हैं. इट इज़ प्रिटी रीसेंट, बट कुछ मीटिंग्स आप दोनों की हुई हैं एंड देयर हैज़ बिन एक्सचेंज ऑफ एनर्जी इन दैट मीटिंग एज वेल, फॉर श्योर. ऑल्सो ग्रुप नंबर 3, आई एम गोइंग टू वार्न यू very clearly that you are being really childish in this connection. Okay, मैं समझ रही हूँ. The crush is high, the energy is high, the intimacy is strong, but you have to be a little wiser. Okay, थोड़ा सा आपको संभल कर चलना पड़ेगा in this connection. आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा for your own safety. Okay, now coming to your crush's energy, they have फ्रॉम देयर साइड ऑल्सो आई सी कि आप उनके लिए बहुत न्यू हो. ओके, एंड वो होप कर रहे हैं इस कनेक्शन के अंदर कुछ डेफिनेटली प्रोग्रेस हो. दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ होप्स विद दैट. दे आर ऑल्सो गिविंग यू अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी इन टर्म्स ऑफ इमोशनल, फिजिकल, मेंटल एज वेल, बट it looks like honestly they are not here to stay longer. वो आपको बेयर मिनिमम ही दे पा रहे हैं. एंड ओके, ग्रुप नंबर 3 आपके लिए मुझे आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट स्टार्टेड ऑफ ऑन अ वेरी गुड नोट. इट्स रोमांटिक, बट आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ फिजिकल इंटीमेसी इन्वॉल्व्ड एंड लेस इमोशनल बॉन्डिंग ओवर हियर. ओके, if this is something that you are seeking for, okay, just be careful. You cannot be too childish. Now coming to your crush's energy towards you is that they are ready to go with the flow. They're definitely not like too much in love with you or swooning over you, but it looks like they're ready to explore. They're only exploring right now, and they did felt connected with you, with your energy, and that is why they have given you so much time and attention as well. But it looks like right now they're not here to stay. They're not here to stay for longer. They do have other plans as well. They are also crushing over you, but when it comes to like the longevity, the future and everything, they are not so sure. They're not sure till when they will be feeling connected with you, honestly. There is a lot of emotional distance between you two. You do not know about each other's life a lot. As this connection has started pretty recently, this crush has developed pretty recently. So अभी आप एक दूसरे के बारे में उतना नहीं जानते हो, एंड आई ऑल्सो सी दिस इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक वन साइडेड राइट नाउ, कि आपकी तरफ से बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेंसिटी है ऑफ फीलिंग्स, बट उनकी तरफ से उतना नहीं है. They have not given much attention to you. I'm going to be brutally honest over here, okay? Please do not mind. This is for your own good only. If it resonates with you, keep watching. If this is your situation, if you also feel कि आपके साइड से बहुत ज़्यादा फीलिंग्स है अपने क्रश के लिए, लेकिन उनके साइड से आपको कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है इतना, then this is your reading. Please listen to it by heart, okay? So yes, so as I was saying कि आपके साइड से काफ़ी एनर्जी है, बट फ्रॉम योर क्रशेज एंड उतना आउटकम, उतना आउटपुट, उतने थॉट्स, उतनी अटेंशन, उतनी फीलिंग्स उनके साइड से मुझे नहीं नज़र आ रही हैं. So when you guys first saw each other, when you had your first encounter with each other, it looks like their energy was quite high, and that is the reason you felt so attracted to them. They were really magnetic at that point, okay? So now let's check what is the potential of this connection. Eight of Feathers. Courage, solution, we have the same energy again. External, the obstacles are the wheel. Okay, I'm really sorry, I'm really nervous and irritated right now because I'm not able to record it properly. There's some issue with my device. External influences, the Lovers. Okay, the outcome. And lastly, the guidance for you is secret vision. Choose to forgive in order to heal. See the light in all. Remember that love has no boundaries. Okay, perfect, beautiful answer. Okay, so guys, the potential of this connection, let's read it in reverse. Okay, the outcome से शुरू करते हैं हम, क्योंकि outcome में हम बहुत clearly देख पा रहे हैं you guys can be good friends. That is what the potential of the connection also says, कि there will be some emotional distance, जिस level की understanding और जिस level की emotional compatibility आप hope कर रहे हो, that may not happen, and the obstacle is very very clear. You are hoping that these energies would change, but I see that they may not. This is how they feel, and this is how their energies are, and they might be having a romantic relationship with someone else on the side for sure. Either they have someone they are attracted to, they have someone else in their life they are attracted to, they feel really inclined towards the same way, not the same way, you are not so serious about them either. There's just this heightened sort of emotions right now that you're feeling towards this person, but this person is definitely romantically involved with someone else as well, whom they really feel connected to for a long time and pretty deeply as well. So if you are hoping कि इनकी एनर्जी चेंज हो जाएगी, या फिर मैं ट्राई करके देखती हूँ मे बी हमारा कोई लॉन्ग टर्म सीरियस रिलेशनशिप हो जाए, या अगर आप बहुत स्टबर्न एनर्जी में हो कि मुझे ये ही चाहिए, डोंट. आई एम गोइंग टू बी वेरी ब्रूटली ऑनेस्ट with you. Do not. You guys can be pretty good friends. You guys can go out, chill, have fun, partying, clubbing, everything else. But if you're hoping कि ये कुछ serious connection हो जाए, that is definitely not possible. Okay. And also I see that, you know, choose to forgive in order to heal. It's okay if he does not feel for you. You'll find someone else. हर किसी का crush is not supposed to be their partner or forever partners, right? Their crush are not supposed to be their future spouse either. And it's okay, you're crushing on this person. Crushes always keep you inspired. As I said कि आप बहुत तैयार हो के अभी जा रहे हो, which is good. They're making you feel better about yourself. They're kind of inspiring you, they're kind of empowering you, which is good for you as well. So choose to forgive. Okay, it's okay if he does not feel the same way for you. See the light and all. Remember that love has no boundaries. Okay, so it can happen at any time with anyone else as well. Okay, group number 3, maybe this reading turned out to be pretty eye-opening for you, and I hope it resonated with you. Do let me know in the comment section below if it resonated with you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, Har Har Mahadev, Om Namo Shri Mahamaya, and good luck. See you in the next video.